Hi guys, Sarah here with Doing Daisies. Today we'll be doing a simple 4th of July decoration, and we'll be using just some of these votives that I found at Dollar Tree. I absolutely love these variegated votive colors, and I picked them up in, actually, as you can see, 4 different colors, and I believe they have more than this. I'll just have to keep my eyes open for them, but I thought they were just gorgeous and fun. So what we'll be using for this is I'll be using the red and the blue, and I'll be using some of these metallic shimmer tattoos that you can also pick up at Dollar Tree. Now I know I found mine right up next to the cash register, so that would be where you'd want to look for these. But these come in gold and silver, and there are, I thought I read 70 tattoos in here. So, but it shows on the back there's 4 different designs, so it gives you a lot of different avenues to go and different ways to use these, and I thought they would be just perfect for decorative reasons. So being the gold and silver shimmer, I can't wait to try them. Alright, and here we go. Up, and right there is where it says 70 tattoos. Okay, so when you open it, it comes in a pack like this. Alright, and as you can see, there are 4 different sheets. They are very shimmery. They're definitely metallic. And it also comes with a little sponge applicator. And it looks like just instructions. Oh, this is the consumer rights. And just some simple directions, which basically you use water and hold it against the back of the tattoo, just like you would with any kid's tattoo. Alright, now the first thing I'm going to do is open these and get these all cleaned up, make sure they're nice and clean so that the tattoos adhere well. They are well packaged, I'll give them that. And I do like that these came in their own little package because I don't have to worry about having to pull off the tags like when you buy most of the glass things, they have them stuck on. So I do like that. Alright, so I'm going to clean these and I will be right back. Alright, so the first thing that I did in preparation to lay out the tattoos that I'm going to be putting over the candles is I marked clearly and evenly all across the top with a marker where exactly I want the top of the tattoo to line up, and that will help keep things exactly on course where I want them to be as I put it on and wet it down. So the next thing that you want to do is go across and cut along the bottom up, so in between the design where you can, so that it will lay more evenly across the votive holder, since the votive holder does have a taper to it. Okay, and I'm just cutting through every other curlicue here. Alright, and then I want to again lay it across the top just to get a good idea exactly how long I need it to be. Right, and then I'm going to come across and cut it about where I want it to meet. Now for the fun part. I pull off the plastic backing on the tattoo, and I lay it out and it kind of sticks, so you lay it out along the top right about where you want it to start. I'm going to bring it over a little bit. There we go. I just want to play with it. The paper is going to come off, so you don't need to worry a lot about that. You just have to kind of work with it to get it smooth across the top. Then I'm going to come through and I'm going to start wetting the tattoo so I can get it down where I want it. Right, and then as the paper loosens from the tattoo, you can kind of work it off a little bit. And I'm going to cut that so I don't have to worry about working with that any more than I have to. And I'm going to bring it down as evenly as I can to meet this next line here. Because again, we are trying to keep it even. And then I'm going to come back through and just keep wetting it all the way around. Now this would be a lot easier with one of the larger cylinder vases that they have. You don't have to worry about it, you having to cut it along the bottom. You don't have to worry about how evenly it lays across the top. You can lay out your design where you want it, and it will be really easy to work with. But that's not exactly how I'm doing things. I thought this would be adorable across the top of these for the 4th of July. Right, and again, I'm just kind of trying to lay this out and continue on around. All right, and it doesn't take a long time for this to come loose from the paper. And I just peel it off, come back through, make sure everything is down securely, nicely with my sponge. And as you can see, it's off a little bit here in the back, but that's okay because I will be placing that towards the back of the votives. All right, now I'm just going to dry it off. There we go. And then the last step would be to come back through and clean off the marker lines. And to do that, we're just going to get a Q-tip and a little bit of alcohol.